Hey guys, I want to run through the export and import process for Estimator. So here I have two line items that are already exported and I'm going to import them. So as you can see, one have a labor resource on it and the other one don't. So I'm going to remove these two line items and just re-import them. So what you want to do is go to Home, Import, Spreadsheet. Then use your wizard and navigate to where your spreadsheet is. You want to treat the first row as a column header because of how your spreadsheet looks. Here you want to make sure all this information is checked if you want to get all the information in. Note that there are some features that doesn't come in properly, like the project view. That information doesn't come in properly if it was already hooked up and mapped from one estimate to another. So there are some limitations with the import, but just want to get the line items and resources and everything come back in properly. So here, as I expand this, I want to go through, I want to make sure everything is mapped. You can map everything that you need. So all the WBS properties are at the bottom, and then all the costs are at the top. You want to make sure everything is mapped except for use formula. You don't have to use that one. But if you have like other resource group or other productivity, depends on how your line item is set up, you want to make sure those are checked. In this import, I don't have any other resource group or other productivity on any of these. The only thing that I have is on the labor resource group, labor productivity, and escalation. So those are the only thing that I have extra resources on, but I'm going to leave everything mapped. Then I want to map my WBS properties. So you can type the information here, or you can use the drop down and search for it. Or you can literally copy the information here and paste it in this side and make sure everything match that you need and so forth. So that's how you will get everything to match. So once you get everything mapped and matches up, then you want to go next and then import. And then once this is done, it will give you a pop-up that says some information is not able to be imported, which is okay because we didn't check all the fields. So hit OK, finish, and then that's how all your information comes into the estimate as map. You want to make sure that your quantities are checked and your costs are checked as well, so everything comes back in appropriately. All right, thank you very much.